as Tirupur Kumaran. Water complaint.
Good morning, everyone. I am Kumaran, studying UCH in Skaranagar International School. Today, I am dressed up as a Tirupur Kumaran. I am Indian missionary and freedom fighter. He fought Dashikandu Youth Association.